Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to head out and make about $500 or $600 in just a couple hours by pulling a few parts that we target and I know to sell well in the past. We can target, test them, and sell them again today. So grab our bag of tools. We're going to head out there. Kind of got an idea on what we're going to pull today. Let's get out there. We're going to look at an LS400 and a Mercedes CLK convertible. Target the best possible parts on there in the quickest amount of time to make the most amount of money. Let's get out there and check it out. As a little bonus at the end, I'm going to show you the little taste of what we're going to do to prep some of these items to get top dollar. Yo, what's up, guys? We are in this 2003 Mercedes-Benz CLK convertible coupe. We're going to check out some parts today. Definitely make some money on this car. We're going to grab ourselves a floor shifter. This thing just came out here today, brand new. We'll grab this and grab our ignition. On this is a convertible. These are really nice. This car is in really good condition. So it lets me think that the convertible top's actually going to work. Seats are great condition. This is in great shape altogether. There's also rear window regulators. They are a pain to get out, but they are here. They sell for like $250 a piece. We're gonna pull this out, pull our ignition out for the inside, then we'll go around to the trunk. That we've grabbed to make money. It's something just about Mercedes that people, pay to fix them. They're fixing their car, keeping them nice, versus some other cars that just let them go to waste, and the parts aren't worth it as much. I'll always go to Mercedes first. Let's get this thing out of here now. All right, boys, we've got our key ignition assembly here. Tell the part number right there. That's the Mercedes part number, manufacturer part number, made in Germany. Perfect. The nice thing about this is we actually have the matching key fob to go with this ignition. So we've got the floor shifter, our ignition, and let's go look at the trunk and look at some of the hydraulics. Assembly right there is our pump, and it's got fluid in it, which is actually probably tells me that none of these cylinders leak, so they're probably honestly good. We gotta tear all this stuff out to get to this thing, and the computer's back here too. Let's start. We'll pop off some of this paneling and see what it looks like. Got all of our plastic housing and metal housing and all that stuff out of the way. We can see this is where the stuff in this car lives. We got our convertible top. I mean, this thing looks brand new. All the computers are back here, amplifier for the stereo. I mean, everything, grounding, mass grounding right there. Everything lives back here. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off. This thing looks amazing. I'm gonna get this out of here and I'll show you how I'm gonna hook power up to make sure it's running. Pulled our convertible top pump. Honestly, I couldn't get it to fire. I pulled one of these before and got it to fire by hooking some power up to these wires. I couldn't get it to do it on this one. We might just sell it as is, parts only, sell it cheap. That's how I sold the last one and it was working. These sell for like 250 bucks, so I mean, if we sell for $100, we're doing good. And this right here, this is the convertible top ECU. We went ahead and pulled that. That sells from, I mean, anywhere between $250 and $150. Since we pulled everything, might as well just grab that too. Probably walk out of here. That'll probably cost us 25 bucks. And then sell it at 100, we're doing good. Also in this car, this engine cover piece of plastic, it is a pain to ship, but I've literally sold two today for $90 a piece. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this. Probably cost $10. All right, boys, this is actually what I came out here for. This is a 99 2000 LS400, and I came to get these fenders. Driver's side's got a little ding, but it's not that bad. Overall, it's in really good condition. We just sold all the fenders I had, so we need some more. This is the last good pair out here. I figured let's grab them. This side's actually in perfect condition. The other one has a couple dings on it, but that one's good. Even these splash guards I've seen are selling for like 90 bucks. I'd do a little bit more research, but gotta pull them off anyways. It's already done. I'm taking out the splash shield, all the little bolts. There's gonna be a couple more hiding up here, probably behind this thing, and then the ones up top, and we should be good. All right, we got one. That's the driver's side. Done one. the other side's going to be easier, right? Start with the driver's side because it's worth the most money. Everything seems on left-hand drive cars, left to right, left-hand side, everything is always worth more, wears out faster for whatever reason. Let's get this out. We do have to remove the headlight, bolts up top, a couple bolts there, and a fender, and boom. All right, boys, there it is. Our fenders off of our, I think this is actually a 2000 model LS400. Second one came off super quick. Bumper's destroyed on this car, so I'm not going to worry about any of that stuff. Wrap this up. We got a pile of parts here. Plastics off of our car. Anybody need a so 180 BVTI engine cover? Look at that. We'll be taking our Mercedes-Benz one, and of course, make sure that we have these, one for each fender. Or like 50 bucks a piece. If you watch this channel, you already know that. All right, that is all I've got for you today. Kind of just a short trip. Targeted a few parts, swooped them up, and got out of there quick. Nothing like making a few $100s in a quick and in a hurry. But check out this little clip I've got from the next video coming up on how we polish and restore these fenders, get them ready to sell, and get them looking like brand new again. I've already sold one of them, and it sold within the first 24 hours of having it listed. Here's a little sneak peek of what I did before I listed them. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll check you over there. This video will drop soon. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.